नीडेड था ना वो कर... Okay. So what we can do like this way for you, okay? So any Priyanka, we're just doing a discussion, okay? When to keep a mock, okay? Mock starting from linear regression. Starting from linear regression. Then we'll go till boosting. This will be a syllabus for mock 1. Mock 2 will be after boosting. Means your clustering, K-means, hierarchy, PCA, KNN, SVM, naive base. So after boosting, till your this till now exit date is not decided, but you assume time series. So my suggestion for you from my side, okay, you can give your opinion also. Okay, Priya, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
So next week, when you need a mock, number 1, you have 1 to 5. You can select any one days. Third threshold you make. So तीन चाहिए या 3 से पहले 3 के बाद less than 3 देखो the more session will not take more time, okay, until I think for second Because you're getting 4 days holiday, now. I think you make yourself ready for that. Second August. एक week में होगा, फिर एक second week next week में होगा. In a week one mock. एक week में एक mock. हाँ, आप लोग पढ़ लोगे चारों. Time sheets I complete by today, tomorrow. ठीक है, वो आपकी कैपेबिलिटी है. You're saying, योगेश. ठीक है, let's say second of August will be a mock one.
सर
Yes, please.
मेरे घर में फंक्शन है 2 अगस्त को.
तो मैडम आप बताइए ना डेट, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप डेट बोलिए कोई.
4 अगस्त के बाद.
ऐसे 4 अगस्त
नहीं 5 अगस्त को. 4 अगस्त के बाद कभी भी.
ठीक है. Okay, got the point, Priyanka. Ragini, any suggestion from your side? We're doing a discussion for the mock one.
Okay, sir. And,
This is your practice mock.
Okay. So is it next week?
Yeah, next week you have a date from 1 to 5.
Okay, sir.
Which date you want? You give your preference. Everyone have given second and third. Priyanka has given after 4th.
Okay, sir. I'm fine with second or third.
Okay, guys, you'll get a confirmation in your group. We'll start with time sheets now without wasting a time. So Shantana will come within 3, 6, 9. There is one more student now, Anisha. Anisha will come 12:30 for VIP. Guys, when to use time series? Anyone can give my description. Huh? When to use time series? That is my question. When we have data, time dependent. I never say X and Y. X and Y is different. ये clear हो गया? When we have a time related data. Example. Stock market, perfect. Price of petrol. Price of the vehicle. Sales. Okay. Month on month sales or yearly sales, weekly sales. So wherever a time factor comes, indication that data is time series. Plus, there has to be interrelation between them, petrol level. After that, we study something known as components. Okay, how many components we have? Which are 4? Okay. What is the meaning of trend, guys? बंद कर दो. एक बताने पड़ेंगे फिर से. Seriously, आप स्क्रीन आपने ओपन किया ना? Thank you. So we have 4 components. One is your trend, seasonal, cyclical, and random. My question is, what is trend? X and Y होगी नहीं यहाँ पे. Wow. Okay. So trend means whenever a time increases, your sales also increase, or your sales has to be decreased. If you remember, I make you draw this pattern, guys. Try to recollect. So trend is monotonic, either upwards or either downwards. Next, we study something known as seasonal. What is the definition of seasonal, guys? You do. कितने लोगों ने रिविजन किया आने से पहले? I inform you time series is interrelated. You have to practice and come. ठीक है. A peak occurs. A peak or a peak downfall. Either peak or either downfall. Anything which occurs one time in one complete cycle. Example, if I have data monthly, one complete cycle means 12 months. So 12 months is one complete cycle. If I have data quarterly, what is the one complete cycle means? 4 quarters. If I have data weekly, 52 weeks. If I have data daily, 365. Got the one complete cycle. So uske one time mein high sales of crackers in Diwali, high sales of sweets, high sales of cake in December, so which occurs one time. Clear? It is called seasonal. Then we have cyclical. Anyone, what is cyclical? A pattern which repeats multiple times, more than one. Then we have fourth one is in one complete cycle or more than one complete cycle. Then we have random. Random means clear? Anyone have any question? Shall I move forward? So I just teach it till here. After that, you have written some theory, guys. And I'll teach you to 7, 8 concepts over here. First, we'll start with basic, simple, moving, average. Weighted, moving, average. Simple, exponential, smoothing. Double, exponential, smoothing. Triple, exponential, smoothing. Every name is a model. Clear? So how many models we have in time series? 10 models. This 2 model is used to check the pattern. I'll go very slow. Okay. Rest other model is used for forecast. Anyone can explain the difference between forecast and prediction, please? Forecast occurs when we have time. Prediction, it's independent. Based on a pattern. So time series data, when we do prediction, we can't say prediction, we call it as forecast. Okay, because in time series rows are dependent. When rows are independent and you do forecast, that is called forecast. That is called prediction. So linear regression, decision tree, every time if you remember, we read prediction column. Here in time series, we write forecast. Clear? Let's start with the first one called as SMA. I think I've shared a file with you prior also. Delete kar de. Yes, download this file from the drive. Guys, download the file from the drive. Hmm. No. आप नहीं देना. Excel file, Vallabh Yogesh. Open that file. Okay, shall I start? On screen. Guys, and this first case study is not needed. On screen. Come back to this data, guys, the Toshiba one. We go on the screen. Okay. First, I'll take average method. What is the meaning of average, guys? Mean. Okay. So we have a laptop manufacturing company want to forecast in 2019 what will be their income, means their revenue. Simple way. Okay. So we have data till here. Guys, what is the time factor over here? What is monthly income? Series. So can I say as year changes, my income also increase? Which pattern I have? Upward trend. So here we say we have a trend, but which trend? Upwards. Clear. Next, when I say average method, what I do, I'll compute average of this. I get average as something 48. Can I say this average will be used as a benchmark? So any year comes, my average income will be 48.8. So for 2019, I say what is the value as 48.8. So this become benchmark because average is the value which represent entire columns. So we say on an average, income for company is 48.8. So I take this as forecast. Clear. So I get all my forecast value. Forecast clear, guys? How to find error, guys? Anyone? So this is your y, and forecast is your y. So 46.2 minus 48.8. No, उल्टा होता है. आंसर नेगेटिव भी चलेगा, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So error formula is, guys, ये क्लियर हो गया. The way I do for one row, can I do for similar all the rows? What is the first error, guys? ये क्लियर हो गया. Shantanu on screen. Y, your y hat, which is nothing but error is clear, guys. Now can I do square of error? Minus 2.7 square is how much? 10.1. So can I say first we compute the error, then we compute the error square. Can I compute mean over here, guys? Can I compute mean? I get the mean answer as 2.10. Can I take square root of this? What I'm getting is can I say first we compute error, then we do is square, then we compute mean, then we take its root. If I write shortcut RMSE. Clear, clear? What is RMSE value, guys? We get over here 1.4. Clear? Easy. So we have actuals, we have forecast, we have error, square, and RMSE. Our main importance is to look at RMSE. Now looking at this pattern, what you can suggest to me, guys? This is the average value. Can I say as year increases, my income increase, but my focus remain constant? Which is the possible, guys, correct? Performance can be constant. Average method clear. The task for average method is to teach you how we compute RMSE. RMSE concept clear, everyone, online students? I'll change the scenario now. The concept name is simple moving average. Okay. What is the meaning of average, guys? Okay. Moving means steps. Simple moving average. A for average, M for moving. I say every time I have to know how many steps? 3. This 3 I decided random. A stand for, can you compute average of 3 numbers, guys? Can you give me the number, please? Till here clear? Okay. Can you compute average? How you can reach? Can you compute average of these three numbers? Okay. Which you get answer is 47. Second, third. Now, if you see guys, on screen, we take average of three numbers. I just move one step downwards. I take average of this three. So how many steps at a time, how many rows we are taking? That is the value of M. A stand for average. So can I say guys, we're taking average of three rows? Simply we're moving one by one. That concept is called as simple moving average. Any question can ask please. Till here clear? Can we compute error guys? Can we get square error? Possible? What is your first error guys? Square. The way I do for one row guys, same way I have to do for remaining rows. Clear? The main objective is to teach you how simple moving average works and how to compute RMSE. Can we compute mean of this? Can we take root of this, the number whatever comes? Guys, how much is the error we have now? Look at RMSE. 0.52. I make you write somewhere called accuracy last week. Open that. What is the threshold for RMSE? How much? The RMSE value has to be less than or equal to 1. That indicates a model is good. Now guys, you tell me which is the smallest value. Which have the smallest RMSE? So which method is the best for me? Simple moving average. But the point, if you compare guys, prior one, here the performance change, but the pattern remains same. Here as data change, can I say my prediction also change? Which is more convenient for business? Moving average. Easy guys. So both are less than 10. So both are good model. Question comes, which is the best? Which have the lowest RMSE? So the main scenario for this Excel file is to explain you how to RMSE is computed. Point number one. Second, how we select the model. So we select the model which have lowest RMSE value. So we compare multiple models and select the model which have lowest RMSE value. Till you're clear? Any question, please ask. This is not focus data. This is just to understand the pattern. Till you're clear? Any question? Okay, let's take one example where I'll keep on more going depth into SMA. Go to the next sheet, guys, everyone. Moving every sheet. Till you're clear? How many months data we have, guys? 3 months. 3 months? 15 months. Okay. Now, if I take M value as 3, if we have M value as 3, okay, how this M is decided, guys? We have taken this number random. Okay. Now I'm teaching you guys how the value of M is selected. Prior, I teach you how we compute MSE and how we what should be the value over here, guys? 3 plus 5 plus 9. Average of this 3. Next, if I need to take average, what should I do? Find it. Perfect. How much? Same way. Next. Guys, logic clear? Easy. So if M is 3, I'm taking 3 rows average. If M is 4, then 4 rows average. I've taken M is 3 rows average. M is randomly. I'll teach you. Huh? Huh. Yeah, correct. So if I take a guess, if M is 3, I'm writing in the front of third row. Till you're clear? This is all my forecast value. Can you compute error? 9 minus will give me 3.3. Can I do square of each number? Can we compute mean of the entire column for error square? Can we compute RMSE? Till you're clear, guys? Can I say process remains same? Forecast, error, square, mean, root. I can do in one cell also. Till you're clear, guys? Now, guys, what is the value of M we have taken? 3. So how many rows average we are taking? 3 rows, which is 3, 9, and 3, 5, and 9. If I take M value as 4 on same data, how many rows average I will take, Shantanu? यहाँ पे M value क्या है? 3. तो कितने rows का average लिया हमने? 3. If M is 4, how many rows average I have to take? 4 rows. So 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 20. Till you're clear? Anyone have any question? Please ask. This one. You think this one? $75 plus 60 plus 75 plus 88. Take average. हम एक एक रो डाउन होते हैं तो एक एक रो सिलेक्ट भी करते हैं, अपर रो भी स्किप, डाउन रो भी सिलेक्ट। तो लिख लिया, we compute arrow, we do square, we compute mean, we take square root। तो लिख लिया guys, process understand, M3 means 3 average, M4 means 4 average। When M was 3 and M was 4, I'll take M as 5 also, because we need to select the best one। How much is RMC we're getting for this, guys? For you, this is 11.28. This one is for clear. Now same way, guys, if I take MS5, so sort of how many rows average I have to take? 5 rows. I have average of all 5 rows. Keep on moving one step downwards. I compute error square. Then their mean and their RMSE. How much I'm getting, guys, when M is 5? What is the rule of RMSE, guys? First, RMSE has to be less than 10. Second, select the model which have the lowest RMSE. Which value is best for us? So M3 is best for my data. Got the point, guys? How we decide the value of M? Can I say we are doing this experiment in selecting the best one? Can we call this is also a concept similar to grid search? Any question, please ask. I'm open to any question. Any question, guys? This is a very simple concept. Clear? Online students, please ask. Guys, I'll keep on increasing level. First, I teach you how to read RMSE, how to compute and how to read. Now I'm teaching you how to select the best value of M using RMSE. Clear? Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Given time means मैंने ऐसे लिख दिया है, जैन पे भी लिख सकते, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। और यू कैन राइट 1 2 इट्स अ बात तो लेना, चाहे आप 01 01 2021 लिखा हो, वो डेट फॉर्मेट में होगा, डेट एंड टाइम फॉर्मेट में होगा। Okay, now guys, we have another concept. I teach you simple moving average. I teach you how to read, compute, and read it. I teach you how to select value of M. Now we'll use second concept called weighted moving average. Weighted moving average. M stand for, guys, moving. A stand for average. New keyword address is weighted. मतलब एक weight होगा. Now guys, let's take a hypothetical situation. We have 3 types of people. One is to data entry. Second the CEO. Who is most important to a company? Can I say, instead of using a post, can I say salary also define what is the value? More the salary, more the importance, more the responsibility. So can I say salary play a role in terms of importance? That salary is a weight of a person. Here also we should have taken weight. The weight has to be in descending order. Point number one. Weight should be, sum of weight has to be equal to 1. ये तो rule है weights के. Weights has to be in descending and weight sum has to be 1. So let's take a data and understand, guys. Can I say as month increases, the price of the phone decreases? ये clear हो गया? If you tell me, can I say April value depends on March? Agree or not? Okay. When that depends on this one, guys, when April depends on March, okay, you tell me. And April can also depends on Feb. For April month, which month is most important, Feb or March? So this will get higher weight. I have given the weight as 0.7. Which is second important? I give this weight as 0.2. Least important? 1. What is the sum of weights? Can I say we have decreasing order? The most recent month will give the higher weight. And sum of all the weights should be equal to 1. So all the two rules of weight satisfied, guys. If I take M stand for moving, I take M value as 3. So how many weights I have to take? 3 weights. If I take M value as, how many weights I have to take, guys? 4. Clear? This weight, how I decided, guys? Random. Clear? The weight can 7, 0.2, 0.1. I decided randomly. Can we change any numbers? Okay. And the range of weight has to be between. तभी तो इसमें सम 1 होगा ना. Clear? Okay. Shall I move to the Excel sheet? I'm working on same data, okay, and now not change the data also. Let's take M value as 3. So how many weights? 3 weights. Can you give me any weight, guys? Quick number of weights ka? Bolo. Give me the weight numbers. 0.7. ये clear हो गया. So these are my weights combination. Let me first take a data for you. Now, what is the first number? March. Okay, what is the value for the Marches? 9. What is the highest weight? Plus 5 into plus. Till you clear. At a time I've taken 3 numbers only, guys. If I do for this, till you clear. Guys, any question how the calculation will happens? Calculation clear for you? This way, guys, we will get the forecast value. Can we compute error? Can we compute error square, mean, RMSE? Okay. So, guys, my first weight on screen. This is very basic one. This base is very important for ARIMA. When weight was 0.7, 0.3, 0.1, okay, how much is RMSE? ये clear हो गया? I copy and paste it over here. Now, any other weight, guys, you want to try with me? Point 8. How much is the error? Point 8, 0.15, this sum. How much is RMSE, guys? I've written over here. Same way, guys, can we try multiple combination of weights? So how many combination? 4. Out of 4, which is at the lowest RMSE? 0.81. Got the point, guys? How we decides how we do different combination and select the best weight. Weight clear हो गया? So weight 0.8, 0.15, 0.05 is the best for us. So if you remember, guys, prior when we are building one, okay, we done with all 3. Within weights we selected. This weight was selected for us. We have done moving average 3, 4, 5. We have the RMSE. We done with weighted moving average with M value as 3. Which is the smallest RMSE, guys? So which method is best for my data? Logic clear? Easy. The first step, guys, what we understand? Weights. Till here clear? Then we do comparison using and select which is less than 10 and the lowest one. Just other steps which I have performed in Excel for you. Guys, बहुत basic है, इसलिए I never make you try it. That's a very base. RMSE compute करना, minus करना, mean करना. It's very simple. Any question in your mind? Please ask. Any small specific question, guys? This RMSE computational, I will not repeat again now in future. I'll just say I compute RMSE. Clear? I just say I apply grid search. It has to be clear in your mind. That's the reason I go with Excel for the first case. M stand for mean, M value, moving value. Clear? Let's take a 10 minutes break. I'll come down from now. After break, we'll further continue. Meanwhile, if you have a doubt,
Guys, we'll start now, online students. Okay. Guys, any question for RMSC selection of model, grade search? Easy till now? Okay. I'll increase the level, guys, now. Okay. Right along with me. Online students started writing with me. हाँ, May पे RMSC have written. हाँ, MSc is covered. So you just have written the accuracy part, not the theory of this anyone, not the first one also. Single exponential. Guys, once done theory, just inform me how to give a small theory. So आपको पता है.
Done, sir.
Sorry. Smooth. Done now, online students. I'll send the screen, guys. Okay. There will be a basic max to max 7-8 lines theory you have to write. Okay. लेकिन वो notes मिलने भी चाहिए. ये बहुत simple सा concept है ना. हाँ, चलो. यहाँ पे ऐसे दिख रहा है मुझे कुछ और दिख रहा है. Like this one. What is exponential to the power? Able to see the screen now, in students?
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
The topic is what is exponential smoothing? Done online students? Online students done for you?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So guys, we have written all the three names. Okay. Now you can write single hashtag. First, let's see. Hashtag single exponential smoothing topic name. And second next. Wherever we have ST, you will replace by FT. F की जगह आपको क्या करना है? F करना है. चलिए clear. Present.
Sir, can you please repeat again what we have to do?
I'm saying if you see the equation where we have ST in the equation,
Okay.
you just have to replace S by F.
F. Okay, sir.
Who is this Gaurav? वो कभी नहीं होता. ये अनीशा की नाम पे जमा किया. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, absent, ninth, 10th, 11th. कैसा कुछ should be over. सौरभ आपने नीचे साइन किया है क्या? ये लास्ट आप ही हो ना जो नीचे कर रहे हो? आप प्रेजेंट को एक्शन मार्क कर देते हो अपने आप को. ठीक है. Done, guys. You just have to write the equation. Write all 3 points. Mark as important for interview. I'm repeating. Okay. Write all 3 points and mark important for interview. Guys done this one?
Done, sir.
I'm repeating, online students, wherever we have S2, S3, you have to replace by F, F3. हाँ, ये उसी का ही method है. हाँ. This is the last page which you're writing theory. After this, I'll explain the concept.
Guys, done? We will start the first topic, which is your exponential smoothing model. The first one is single exponential model. Guys, what is the definition of exponential? I teach you exponential distribution. E to the power x. The something is decreased, means if the number is 1, it get reduced to 0.8. So something has to be in a decreasing order. On screen, here we have exponential smoothing. Guys, what is the meaning of smoothing? Transforming something or making very clean and polite, transparent. So we have to write an equation of the way it has to be very smooth. Okay. Point number 1, I'll give description. What is the meaning of each notation? I say single or we say simple. It's your opinion. Some refer it simple. Some research paper or reference book write single. Both are allowed. Here we have single means one parameter. And that parameter name is alpha. Alpha is used for smoothing. Till you're clear. Range of alpha is between greater than 0 and less than equal to 1. The value of this alpha, we decide, guys. How we decide? Random. Till you're clear. This is our inbuilt. Software will not decide for you. Second. F stand for forecast. T stand for time. Y stand for data value. Then T minus 1, guys. Extra time previous. T plus 1 forward. So T minus 1 is your backward. T plus 1 is your forward. T is your current. Any question on this? Equation clear? Okay. Let me open. Online students, any question?
No, sir.
complete prior, I'll leave you early. If I leave late, I leave you late. Okay. Here we have serial number, where we have 1, 2, so on, and we have years. Guys, I have taken data of maida flour. Have you heard the maida? Wheat flour. Same way we have maida flour. Most used in India. Used in the rich family and poor family, everywhere. Used in hotel, restaurant, resort, everywhere. दिखाते हो ना? It's made of this maida flour only. Okay. We have data for how many months, guys? Till August. Total how many months data we have? 20 months. For year 2017, full year, and December till August. Till year clear. Look like blank for me. Clear, guys? Because I'm going to erase this number. That's I'm asking you. Okay. Now, guys, here we have data. Data in tons. This is the production data. How much tons of maida flour we produce? Okay, by one of the company. I can't disclose the name, guys. It's a live data. 2017 in month of January. How many tons of maida they produce? 240. Second month, 216. Third month, 220. ये clear हो गया? What is Y1, guys? 240. Y2, Y3. Got the point how to read? Here T stand for month. T1, T2, T3. T clear? Month clear? Okay. The formula made by the scientist. What is the condition for the formula, guys? लिखा हुआ ना कुछ conditions. Equation के पास ऐसे कोई condition थी? Written or not? Greater than or equal to. Okay. So this formula, guys, which we have written, this formula is applicable from which month onwards? Third month onwards. Till you clear? From March onwards, I can use the formula. Below March, I cannot use the formula. Till you clear? Okay. I'll go, guys, universal way first. Okay. Now, guys, you have written something known as initial forecast. Read the theory. Anyone? कहीं पे लिखा है initial forecast. Y2 is equal to or F2 is equal to Y2. Something written? Initial is a one method. So F2 is equal to Y2 is the first method. Guys, I'll ask you one more thing. Give your personal feedback. Do you go with R software or Python? Or do you want to go with the scientist way? 3 ways, explain me. R जो है ना, similar to the scientist pattern. Python index start from 0. So वहाँ पे computation थोड़ा difference होता था. Formula everything remains same. They start from initial stage. From here. And we start from here. R start from here. F2. Python start from F1. So my suggestion, we will go with our point of view, the way scientists have derived. Okay. Clear. Same. This is verified number in Python. The Excel file which I uploaded over here, all numbers are verified on pen paper. Don't worry. R में होता है, Python में initialization को accept नहीं करता है. Python start from F1. ये T1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं फॉर्मूला. R start from F3, Python start from F2. करेक्ट ना? F2 से स्टार्ट करता है और ये F3 से करेगा R. Scientific is F3 because this is a formula works for F3 onwards. We'll go scientific way. Okay, initial is what? F2 should equal to Y2. Okay. Now let's check. Guys, what is the third month? Third month name is what? March. So we're doing prediction for March. What should be the value of T? 3 होगा. Okay, let me what I can do. I will erase this. ये लिखा है आपने सबने? नहीं, just the way I put it. You want to write or should I erase? लिखा है ना, ठीक है. हाँ, notes में ऐसा नहीं लिखा है. F क्या T क्या? No, I'm asking you the notes which you have written. Do you want to write this or okay. This increase the speed, please.
Sir, you are not audible.
Sorry. We have taken TS3. We have taken alpha as 0.4. This alpha 0.4 is taken randomly by the Vallabh. T I have taken because if I want to use this formula, start from third months onwards. The formula is applicable to use from third months onwards. That's the reason I've taken TS3. Till you clear. Shall I move forward?
Sir,
Guys, tell me what is Y2 as per this data? Point 4 into 260 plus 0.6 into what is F2? Equal to F2 multiply by, solve this and give me the answer. Y2 is equal to Y1 है, Y2 है. See in the notes now, it's Y1 or Y2. What is Y1 value? That's the reason asking you, कि it's Y2 or Y1. Now clear. Solve this and give me the number. I'm getting 252. I'm getting 248. Guys, I'm doing this calculation because I have to teach you one more point. If I take t value as 4, what should be the equation? F4, Y3, F3. What is F3 we found? What is Y3? Solve this. Two 6.8. Clear, guys? How the calculation is happening? Ragini, Kiran, Priyanka, clear for you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
got it.
Okay. Now you understand and increase the level. Okay. Now, guys, my third question for you. We have data till August. ये clear हो गया? I want to predict for August month. What should be the equation? What should be the value of t? T will be 20. Months, no? T is how much? 20. What should be over here? What is Y19? What is F19? $280. On screen, guys, want to teach you something. After you solve this, okay, 240, 280 into 252, these two numbers. When I use this two number, give me the prediction for the below one. 253.38. Easy, guys. I want to do prediction for the month of September. I want to know in the month of September. I have written till which month? August. Now I want to predict for September months how much will be the production required. Okay. So you tell me what is F, what is the T value? 21. What is Y1? F20. What is Y20? 220. F20. Multiply this and give me the number, guys. 246. Correct? 246.03 I'm getting. My question for you. Clear, guys? Any question? Any doubt in calculation? Ragini, Kiran, Anisha?
Clear, sir.
Now, guys, I want to do prediction for the month of October. What is the value of T? Over here. What is Y21? No. Not known. F22. So can I say if I do not have a data for this number, okay? If I do not have a data for this number, can I do a prediction? No. So can I say simple exponential smoothing is only used to forecast for 1 month forward, 1 step forward? Logic clear, guys? This I want to teach you. That's the reason I'm teaching you maths. Because without maths, it's become difficult. Calculation clear? Forecast clear? Prediction, forward forecast clear? Okay, we can stop. We can do for prediction. We can do forecast for the next forward 1 steps. 1 step. Why say 1 step? It can be have data quarterly. I cannot say only 1 month. I can have data yearly also. This logic clear? Okay. Should I erase the calculation for you? Okay. Now let's check your knowledge. I guess, but be patient. Questions behind it. Point number 1. Whenever you receive a time series, what we do? We make plot. After getting a plot, we need to find this plot is called as some software called as sequence, year by year, no? Okay. Now question comes to be the pattern component. Let's say I have this plot. Tell me what is the pattern we have, how many components we have. ट्रेंड है, सीजनल है, where Jan, Feb, March 2017. See Jan, Feb, March of 18. Do we have seasonality? No. If trend is not there, season is not there, what is remain then? So we have cyclical pattern. What remains? You just have to look 2 parameters, 2 components, trend or seasonal. So a single exponential is used when we have random component.
In single exponential, how many parameters we have? Alpha. Range is between. ये clear हो गया, proof हो गया. Point number 4. What minute वाला? ये clear हो गया. Anything which is answer for you guys, please say. Clear it now, otherwise it will be very difficult for you. Last point. Perfect. Here we compute RMSE, or we can compute. Let's say in the forward concept, guys, you will be going to always use. What is the threshold for MAP? I make you right now. First day. On screen. We get focus value, guys. Can we compute error? Can we compute error square? Can we compute mean? Can we compute RMSE? Concept clear? Now MAP say actually how much in the for a month of Feb? 260. What is the focus value? 240 divided by 260. How much? Take absolute, multiply by 100. So 260 minus 240 divided by 260 multiply by 100 will give me how much? The error, y minus y had error, then into percentage means divide by multiply by 100, absolute, A for absolute. What is MAP value, guys? We get 12.29. What is the threshold? Less than or equal to 10. Last single word from my side is done. Now on screen, if I keep on changing the alpha value, the MAP change. Can I say alpha value have direct impact on model? As alpha change, your model performance also get changed. Can I say identification of alpha is very critical and very important, which can be done easily by grid search. Any question can ask from my side, concept done. Mean, absolute, percentage, error. What is the formula for error? So your y is 260, y hat is 240. परसेंटेज निकालना है तो y से डिवाइड करो, मल्टीप्लाई बाय absolute means modulus. So take your modulus, do for all rows and compute V. Logic clear, guys? Any question, please ask. I don't want to make things complex, guys. Got the point when to use single exponential. So whenever you see a random pattern, don't think, apply single exponential. Concept clear? Any query you have can ask please, online students.
Clear, sir.
Guys, if no question, we can stop, we can done for the day. वो भी आएगा तो ये क्लियर हो जाए, जैसे कि आरएमएस क्लियर हो गया, हाउ टू सिलेक्ट क्लियर हो गया, तो देन जस्ट बिकम मोर, थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाता है। जैसे कि वहां पे वेट्स थे, वैल्यू है। Online students will stop now. Okay, thank you. Any question can ask.
Thank you, sir.